this is the SAP stream. I think some of you may familiar, some of you may not familiar. So here we call, look at this. We call this is the GUI, graphical user interface, right? Graphical user interface. So in this SAP, you have, just a simple software like create session, minimize, presto, log, that those things were there. And there is a menu screen. And here you have options. So in the options, you know that font settings and all, you can change the colors if you want, right? So keyboard setting, visualization one. Likewise, you have normal things over there. As soon as you log in with the user credential, you might be seeing on the menu here. If you click on the other side, you will see a menu created for me because my name is Charit. So I just put a menu here. That is my unique menu. If you click over there, it's a common one, right? So here in your setting, right? So you can keep adjusting it. So display technical name, or else you can show like technical details over there, right? And you have a favorite one. So favorite in the sense, let's say if you are just clicking whatever the transaction code you have. So if you think that it's favorite, so you simply drag and drop here. So it become your favorite, right?
Favorites, okay.
Right. So simple things. So on the other hand, we do have what we call Fiori interface, right? Fiori interface. He hasn't installed the certificate, so we could not be able to go, right? Then the problem, he hasn't installed the certificate. Okay, that's a different thing. Now, so we have Fiori platform, which will totally driven through what? Totally driven through web portal. I can show you in a, once you have the system, I can show you. But this one they didn't take the certificates clear, so it's not more available. But as soon as you got the system, I can show it to you.
Okay.
So complete web driven. But what's the main difference with a GUI and a web based application? What can you both can say about it? So when you have a graphical user interface, so you have to have some sort of installations to be happen within your PC.
PC, correct. Okay.
Right? But if you have web application, even you can perform it in phone or anything, right? You don't need an installation to be happen. So that's the number one key reason that SAP came into Agile platform. And the second thing is your background memory taking. So when you have, it will happen from the web also, but you can define your own user friendliness, no? Which means in the application. So if you have changed your UI user interfaces within a GUI platform, it is very difficult. So you have to have a programmer to be involved, so and so. But in the web application, you have drag and drop and you can change it. So those type of things will be appearing. So people could see that you could easily changing the colors and everything, and the way the situation is, you could able to change, and you realize somewhat user friendliness. That is the second. So now we were been discussing about enterprise structure. So this is the simple SAP screen, and here there are two things involved. One, you have business applications, and the other one you have IMG, which means you have two destinations. Now here for all users, you have business applications. What do you mean by business application? Here you have how to create PO. So which means purchasing.
It's a client version, right, sir?
Client, which means how to create PO, how to create PO release and all. But there is a specific thing which will unique for a consultant, which means IMG. What do you mean by IMG? IMG means configuration platform. Configuration platform. So the configurations are only available for consultants, not for the whole entire users. But as a consultant, you have to know how business application was working and how configuration is supporting to use the business application. So you all are the people who configure the system to use the business application as such.
Okay.
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 Right. Now we will be in the enterprise structure, because today the lesson is to keep you upgrade on enterprise level structure.